Hello and welcome, guys. My name is Zaid. Today we're gonna start talk about the software Multisim. The software we can start from here. Uh, you can type Multisim here, and you can run the software. As you can see, this is the software of Multisim. This is the window of Multisim, and we're gonna talk about something about this software. So guys, this is the, you can say this one is file edit. No, this is the menu bar. And this one is standard bar. And this is component bar. Uh, the component, you can see any electrical component here from the ground, resistant, diode, and etc. This is design toolbar. So you can take a look. This one is instrument bar, toolbar. You can find any instrument here. This is design bar. This one's scroll bar. You can go up and down here. This area, guys, is circuit window. So you can build the circuit here in this bar. Uh, let's right now start to build a new program. So you can choose file new, or you can choose from here new program. You can see here this is blank. If you want to start any new program, this is install template. So you can this is template from building circuit. You can do these, and my template is any template that you saved previously. So let's start to create a design, a new design. So I'm gonna start here blank. I'm gonna click create. You can see here this is that's when you're gonna build our circuit, and this is design number one, and this is design number two. This section you can see like different description about this result, or any description, or any component if we have any component, or simulation. If we build the circuit, you can see any description using this section. Now let's build us a circuit using Multisim. So this circuit contain like a resistant and voltage power supply. So let's start to talk about it. So number one, I'm gonna take a look to every part. For example, I will take a look to get the voltage source. So right now we're gonna take like one voltage supply, and also resistance, some like I think any number of resistant or resistor. This is you can get these component from this component bar, or you can get it from place, and this one place and component, and you can choose any component from this bar. Again, place, component, and you can choose any component with different type. So now how can I choose the power source? You can get here place, component, you can get master database, all group, choose sources, power sources. We have different power sources. I will choose DC power sources. This is DC power sources, and click OK. Right now I have this is DC power sources, and I have click, and I have this power sources. Next thing, I need to take resistant or resistor. To get resistant, by choosing place, component, master degree, I will choose from sources. I will take basic and then choose here. If we have, this is relay, this is socket, and we have here resistor, and we have here 1K. So I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna take about one. I will take another one, so I'm gonna click OK. 2. We'll get another one. 3. I'll get another one. 4. Okay, and get exit. So these 4 resistant. I can change the value by pressing double click. Change the value. This is by ohm. I can do double click, change the voltage number. This is 12 volts. I can change it. So this program is very important to simulate the circuit before applying a real circuit, to know the signal before applying any real circuit. Right now, how can I make connection for this circuit? So first of all, I have R2. I have to make R2 connected here, and R4. Sorry for that. I will do undo. R4. To do undo is just you have to press Control and Z. Anyway, right now, how can I rotate? I'm gonna press right click, rotate 90-degree counterclockwise, rotate another one 90-degree counterclockwise. Okay, so how can I make connection? This is very important. So by seeing this one, you can make connection. You can see this dot here. So right now, make connection. If you see the another dot or on this line, this is connection number 1. You can see here the red dot. So we're gonna do the first connection. Okay, so this is click. Very hard to get it. Click this one, click, sorry, I have to press another click here, and then 1 volt also click. I'm gonna move this one down and click the last one. So right now we finished this circuit. Now I can change the value of, for example, the voltage. I can make, for example, 6 volts. This is all the example of the voltage. I can press OK. Resistant, this is resistant. We have 1K. We can make, for example, make 1.5. 1K, that means 1000. I can make 1.5. The tolerance that it is tolerance for each resistor. So I'm gonna break OK. I'm gonna click OK. I will change, for example, this one. I will make it like 1.2 K, or I can choose, for example, 1, 2. This is the same, which equal 1.2 K. Okay. Okay. So right now I'm gonna test this circuit. So I'm gonna bring multimeter to check the voltage. So you can see here different instrument or measuring instrument. You just put this one here. You can say the name. I think this one is multimeter. Hold on. So you can see here this name multimeter. So this is multimeter. I'm gonna put this multimeter here. We have here plus and minus. So if I click the multimeter here to measure, for example, the voltage across this R4. So I'm gonna put multimeter here, click here. This is plus and this is minus. And they have to press double click because I have to make sure that multimeter check voltage V with DC. Check voltage with DC. Right now we cannot see any reads because we have to click run. So I'm gonna click run by selecting this one, run. If I click run, I can press double click. You can see the voltage is 1.29 volt. Okay. So if I need to check the voltage across this point, for example, I will try to delete this line and connect this line here, and the other line you can keep it here. But so I'm gonna click this line. If I try to press delete, I cannot delete it because the system right now is running. So I have to stop the system by pressing here stop and then delete this line. Delete. You can delete also the other line and move the multimeter here. Check the voltage. I'll check this is a plus and this is minus, so I'm gonna flip it horizontally, so this will be plus. Will connect to the voltage here, power source. Minus will connect also to the voltage power source. Right now, click run, and we can see here the double click. You can see 6 volt, which equal the same voltage here. Here he's asked us to put ground wire. So we have to put ground wire. We're gonna put ground wire and check also the system. The ground wire is important, so I'm gonna pause that one, stop it. So how can I put the ground for here? For example, I'm gonna get grounded this circuit. Click place component. Can choose it from here, I think. Hold on, all the group. I'm going to choose sources, power supply. We have here a grounded, so by click on this one, okay, we can see this is ground, so I click probably twice, so we have 2 grounds. I'm gonna click OK. Sorry, and I'm gonna remove this one, delete, and then I'm gonna connect this ground to the circuit by just drag a line, and there you go. I'm gonna move it here to make nice and clean. And right now I'm gonna, you can see there is nothing here, so everything 6 volt is okay. So this is 6 volt of multimeter. We can check down here on result. This is result. This is net. This is component. We have all these components. Design number 1, I think we are. Yeah, this is our design. This is simulation. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.